Folks, we're back with another $995 starting down payment. Check it out. 2015 Kia. This is an Optima. This is an LX with an options pack. So you get the real nice alloy wheels. You get auxiliary line-in USB, hands-free Bluetooth calling, 2-owner unit, no accidents, guaranteed credit approval program. Nice car, folks. Clean body, nice inside, fully detailed, serviced and safety inspected, and ready for the road. This vehicle is going to come with a 3-month, 4,500-mile service contract over the driveline, guaranteed credit approval program, and the best service in the block. Diversified Auto Sales LLC, Cleveland.com.